Just go through the picture in this video. You're going to just fall in love with this collection. This is a Kani inspired semi kind of material, completely woven sari. We had it last time also. 4,750. Trust me, buying a Kani pure hand woven weaving hand woven sari, it's going to cost you more than 35 to 40,000 rupees, because there's so much of work is done. These are machine done, so the costing has drastically fallen down. But the color combination, the look, the feel, everything, I mean, look is definitely the same, feel will be definitely different, because original is original and replica is replica. This is such a beautiful replica on this. The material is kind of a semi. There is no specific name for the material also, because if I say muga, it will not be like muga. If I say cotton silk, it's not like cotton silk. So there is some material which the sari has turned out to be amazing. 4,750. Very good quality. No need to worry. As you know, Vastram is it's known for its quality of products. Let's go into the sari. First one I'm going to give you, it's kind of a navy and black mix combination, and the color combination, you know what is so inspiring about it is the multicolor weaving and the silver body over here, kind of a mokaish work. Jaise you will have a beautiful silver zari weavings here and all these weavings over here is so amazing. It's got silvers here and there. That shine that you're going to get when you're going to wear it in the evening parties is something mind blowing. The whole body has got those golden color highlights. Oh, look at that. That's the pallu of the sari. 4,750. Amazing sari to own. Combination of the pallu has got a rustic orange. Hey, come on here, I'm not going to talk. Look at the beautiful sari. She is the best, and she is going to be sold the first time also, I guess. And that's the blouse of the sari. The blouse happens to have like prints over here. Take it. It's going to have prints like this. That's the blouse of the sari. Any of the colors available can also be a contrast blouse. So you want to, and the blouse has a border also over here. It's okay, don't miss the border. It's a nice printed woven border. Let me show the weavings at the back. This is the weaving. It's heavily woven, beautiful machine. Though also it needs to have so much of work has to go in, right? So this beautiful sari is available at 4,750. Will be uploaded in the website, and link will be given from the website. Please buy it through the website, so that the next buy is going to be a easy breezy walk for you buying from Vastram. That's sari number 1. Nice black and navy. It is black, a mix of navy. Sari number 2 is a bottle green. Same borders got some little differences. Oh my, you will fall flat for the pallu. You cannot just say no, because it is not just the white color thread. It's a zari woven in silver, antique gold zari woven buttas. Are you seeing them? Am I this highlighting, like you give a highlight over every weaving, like that weaving has opened. Such a beautiful sari this is. And that's the pallu. Nice bottle green. 4,750. That's the blouse with the border is also self color. This 2 sarees or 3 sarees, if you buy in the same color also, a lot of blouses become a common for this, because so much of color. This Kani weaving itself has got multiple color options. The top border, the bottom border is all throughout. Top border is for the first 2.5 meters. So this is sari number 2 for you. 4,750. Sari number 4, a fresh color, deep sorry, number 3, okay, deep kind of gray. And okay, where do I go? See, this is best, that's not best, the second best and all, nothing. Every sari is so beautiful. This has also got floral and plant based climber kind of weavings all throughout pallu, and all throughout the body. Pallu is orange tint. This is the blouse printed with the border, and that's the pallu. Oh my god, look at the pallu. All pallus are so grand. That's the speciality of a Kani inspired sari. Kani saris also have their intricate weaving on the pallu. That's where they are, people just go crazy for them. This has got paisleys, flowers, leaves, and a beautiful border. Again, sari number 3. I love this pallu. Let me show the sari. Vanchur Torsi. Look at the pallu, yeah. Your sari is a masterpiece. Yes, done. This is sari number 4, a black. Oh. She is also another beauty. Black and pink combination. The previous one had a orangish, rustic orange combination. This has got a pink combination. And the same gorgeousness nowhere less or more. Everything is classy, completely woven. Look at the pallu, go close, you will ask only the pallu. After some 2-3 years of wearing, you can make the pallu as a front portion of your salwar. This is the blouse of the sari, here printed blouse, again with borders. That's not a problem. Same printed blouse, sorry, woven blouse for the same small buttas. You can wear plain blouses because the whole sari is busy enough to carry a plain blouse as a beautiful sari. 4 are black. Now comes 5. 5 is a wine color. Wine color with the same beauty all woven all over. Rustic red orange pallu, and the wine color on this combinations are also so thoughtfully done. So you can never say one is better than the other. Every sari can accommodate your wardrobe because so much of beauty. Gifting somebody such a graceful sari is a honor for yourself. That's the blouse of the sari with the border. This is all weavings again. Nothing as a print looks as though, even printing looks very difficult, but they have woven this. So this beauty is well defined with the way she flows around on the table, and you can always see yourself wearing such pretty collections from Vastram and get inspired by your choices. My last bit is a beauty which is like same, but the weavings are different. They have some cluttered bunches of a kind of a thicker bunches of weavings done all throughout. This is beautiful. Yeah, words are getting stuck because I'm just not able to. Wow, very beautiful. Just see now. I don't want to talk. Small border this has got because pallu has got bolder motifs, body has got bolder designs, so border has made comparatively little different. Because if I want 2 saris, I can't buy all the same and the same border, same weaving design. So this is the blouse also. This is a total different piece and a masterpiece for sure. Amazing sari. The border here has got as though it's like printed. Even printing, people think इतना सारा colors डालने पे बहुत महंगा पड़ेगा करके the printer will talk to us. वैसा these people have woven so beautifully. That is the best part. It's completely woven, and this beauty is also priced at 4,700. Mail it Tursi. 4,750. See, did I not say you? Every sari is an amazing collection. It's a mind-blowing collection. This is totally different weaving. Here on the leaf, inside the leaf, a lot of weavings have happened. What more can you ask? The silver and gold linings are also happy highlights over here. So with this, I'm closing this Kani inspired weaving saris in semi, and they will be all priced at 4,750. Clicking on the respective links, you can buy them all. Happy shopping. Don't miss classy collections from Vastram. Very few are very less repetitive. So this is one. We don't get them on and off. So just grab them and have them with you. Happy shopping.